I don't think I want to go hog wild with this any further. I mean, I could cut this back even further at an angle like that. Then I'm doing too much of the veneer on the door. This is supposed to be a patch, you know? Because it's at the bottom edge of the door, feeling like it's going to be okay. Wouldn't really want to do that in the middle of a door if I didn't have to. I'd probably use something else to make the patch. Here at the bottom, the liquid nails. I'm going to see if it's going to work, and I'm sure it's going to. I think I'm going to sand that just a little bit, and this is what I'm going to use. This is my emery cloth that I use for plumbing, and I don't have any other sandpaper with me, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to rip that off, just a little piece. Now this emery cloth is designed to sand copper tubing before you solder it. I'm going to use it just for here. You use what you got, and that's what was in my nail bag, and by golly, that's what I'm going to use. I'm not going down to the store, you know, for one little thing. Sometimes you got to improvise. Ooh, my fingernail caught into that. Let's sand that little edge right there. I want to go hog wild on there. Do I? Jeez. It's becoming a little project now. Oh well. Sometimes you got to decide where to stop your patch. Or, hey, a little bit extra time, maybe that makes all the difference. Only you can decide that for your project. Okay? Before I fill that up, my liquid nail, I'm just going to take some masking tape because I don't want that liquid nail to get all over, especially right there. I'm only going to put it right there, and that is almost good enough. Let's say that's almost good enough to paint like that, but it's, you know, it's not. So I'm going to stick that on there. That. Put another piece on right here. Like so. That way it's not going to get all over my door, because you just have to protect your end product from that liquid nails going all over the place. I think I'm going to cut this, just lightly scoring it. Let's see if it's going to come off. There it goes. Because I think I might want to put a little liquid nail just on this a little bit. Because see, I don't do that. I'm into the hardboard right there. And that hardboard could have a tendency to lift if it gets through the paint. And I'm hoping this liquid nail is going to act as a deterrent for that. So I can kind of put that on there. I'm just going to use the liquid nail and put a little skin of it over that, you know. Then I can pull the masking tape back up, let that dry, lightly sand that, put some paint on it, and voila.